How to share the NGO link on Facebook story without Instagram. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to share the NGO link on Facebook story without Instagram. First, open the NGO app on your mobile device. After that, tap on the copy link option to copy your NGO link. Next, open your Facebook and make sure you're logged in. Tap on Create a Story to add a new story. Now, tap on Next. Here, paste the link that you have copied from the NGO app. Once you're done, tap on Done. After that, tap on the Share button to post your story. Here, tap on Not Now. Once your story is posted, you can tap to see it. That's how you can share NGO links on Facebook story without Instagram. Also check out our video on how to delete Facebook account permanently without password. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.